Hello, my sewing friends. Can I make a t-shirt for under $10? We'll see. I'm Jen, and this is my sewing room where yes, in fact, was able to create a t-shirt for well under $10. I wasn't sure about this one. I decided that I would challenge myself. If I had $10, could I go in to a fabric store and get what I needed to come home and make a t-shirt for $10, including the pattern and the thread? Well, yes, you can. It can be done. And here was my process. I pulled up to Joann Fabrics one afternoon. I was on my way home from a trip and I thought, okay, I have $10. Let's go in and see what we can find. And I did find some knit fabrics. But let me preface that by saying things were not, there weren't $1.99 patterns on sale. There wasn't some blow your mind kind of, oh my gosh, 70% off, 50% off, those kinds of sales. It was just your standard Joann Fabrics stuff. And I had a 50% off coupon, but it was for a regular priced item. So I went in, I found some fabric. It was on sale. It was normally $12.99 a yard. It was 30% off, so it was $9.09 a yard. But I thought I'm gonna need the least a yard and a half. So I knew that was gonna run me over. And then I thought, okay, well, maybe I'll make it a $15 challenge. And then I thought, no, I don't wanna do that. But between that and the thread, it was about $16. So I thought, no, you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. So I was going to give up entirely. And then I thought, they have those bundles at Walmart. So maybe I'll go in and see what I can find. So here is what happened when I went to Walmart. Okay, I'm walking through Walmart and I see sewing. Let's go see if they have some wrapped bundles and maybe I can find some knit. Okay, I found it. Let's have a look. Ooh, there's one that caught my eye right there. I kind of like this. This is 2 yards for $4, so I'm gonna hang on to that. I also, one's catching my eye, but I have a feeling that would be a little too sheer, so what about this one? This feels like it's got a lot of lycra in it. So it is also 2 yards for $4. $2? Wow. So that's a good deal. Let me see if I can pull out the end of it and just see how thin it is, how it feels. Yeah, that's pretty thin. And it's, I don't know. Might work. Let's keep that one in mind. This is knit, but it's more like a mesh. This is knit, but it's a little bit neon. Not sure that will work. Let's see. Here is cheetah, but I don't think it's knit. Oh, it is knit. Let's just have a look. Let's see. It feels kind of like flannel, but it might be knit. Nope, it is knit. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that looks like knit to me. Well, I like that a lot, so let's grab that one. Oh, it is 2 yards for $4. Let's keep looking. Let's see, what other treasures do they have? Oh, that's pretty. Not my colors, but that would work. Kind of plain, but not bad. What else do I see? Ooh, denim. Denim? 2 yards for $4. That's a pretty good deal. I don't think it has any stretch. It feels like a bull denim, but it's denim. Let's see what else. This is nice. I don't think for a t-shirt though. Here's another knit, but I don't like the feel of it, so no. There's one. Yeah, I don't like the feel of that either. It's a big old roll of, what is that? Fleece, I think. Here's a waffle knit. I like this, but I don't like the color. It feels really nice. Actually, this is a knit. Actually, this is a knit. That's an interesting color, isn't it? I like this. What's is this? This is 2 yards for $4. Okay, so here are the choices. Blue, cheetah, blue stripe, or aqua teal. Gotta say, I'm liking the cheetah. I think I'm gonna go with the cheetah. That's a good choice because it's, it'll go with everything because it's also black. Okay. Looks like this one is 97 cents. So let's grab one of those. Westcott. Stay sharp if you only use them for fabric. So $5.27, that's not a bad deal. Mission accomplished. Let's go check out. Success! I couldn't believe that I spent $5 instead of $10. Actually, I could have gotten those scissors and it would have been about, I don't know what, $10.50, $10.75, which, you know, if you need a pair of scissors, you're new to sewing and you want some that you can just only have for fabric, that's a pretty good deal. I mean, it's a good starter pair of scissors that are going to stay sharp if you only cut fabric with them. So I decided I would make a free pattern. And I have two. I have the Vera Tee from Forget Me Not Patterns, and I have the Galaxy Tee from Pattern Scissors Cloth. And on another project, I made the Galaxy Tee, but I used the Vera neckline. This time I used the Vera Tee and the Galaxy sleeves. So I'm going to give you some highlights of the process. Before I do that, let me also reiterate, these are both free patterns. You can download them, print them off as a PDF, and anyone has access to those. So free patterns, what a deal. You know, I didn't even need to hit a sale. Well, I'm back from Walmart and I thought maybe we could have a look at this fabric. You know, I got this, pulled it out, and I was not sure at first if it was a knit, but it turns out it is a knit. So 2 yards, not bad, huh? This is a knit that is, let's see, it's got knit this way, or it's got stretched this way, Hachi brushed customer. So I don't know what they mean by that, but it's just a nice, soft knit. Like probably a polyester knit. It's got kind of a loop texture on the back, so okay. But it has a nice weight for a t-shirt. Now I'm seeing some places where it looks like it was folded when it was printed, like it didn't print right, you know? So let me hold it up and see. Yeah, that looks like there's a flaw right here. And anyway, so if I really wanted to, I could avoid that. Maybe I will when I lay out my t-shirt. Now I know I have more fabric here than I need for a t-shirt for my size, but depending on your size, you may need all of this. So check your fabric before you go to cut it and make sure that if it does have flaws that you can cut around them. I'm not going to complain too much. $4 for 2 yards of this fabric, and I think that's a pretty good deal for, you know, a flaw that actually, you know, if I wanted to leave that in, I don't know that it would look, I mean, it wouldn't be overly noticeable, especially if I placed it in the right spot. So I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so into the washer, this needs to go, and I'm going to throw it in the dryer because that's how I wash my clothes. And I want to wash my fabric the same way so I can see what it's going to do before I cut out my thing and put it together. Yeah, that's why you wash your fabric. So let's go throw this in the washer and get it clean, get all the sizing and whatever else that it got from the factory. And then I can lay it out and cut out my t-shirt. I hope this inspires you, especially if you're on a budget, to know that you can indeed make a t-shirt for under $10. If you'd like to hear me talk about the other version of this t-shirt, have a look right here, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.